Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to share with you some of my rhinestone buys from Aliexpress. All of the stuff I am showing you today is from the Born Pretty official store seller. You could also find Born Pretty store online just at their regular web shop, and I guess they have an eBay account as well, but I'm not sure. But I just got all of this from Aliexpress, and I will just share you all the prices in this video. If you want any direct links, just let me know in the comments down below and I will reply to you personally. So first up, I got 7 bags of different AB crystals, SS different sizes and stuff. So I've got the SS3, I've got the SS4, the SS5, the SS6, the SS8, the SS10 and the SS12. So I got all 7 sizes they got, and yeah, they're all multicolored gems. They are regular transparent clear ones, but they do have multicolor shine to them. So they're not just the standard silver backings, but they actually have really pretty multicolored, almost holographic, I'd say, coloring to them. So they do have different prices. This one is the SS3, which is the smallest one, and I got that one for €1.31. Then next up is the SS4. I got that one for $1.31 as well. Let me just get this one out of the packaging because you can't even see how pretty it is. Oh, and all of the bags contain 1,440 stones. So just look at that. That is so beautiful. So this is the SS5, and I got this bag for €1.24. Next up is the SS6. This one I got for $1.24 as well. So they were all just a little above the €1 range. Next up is the SS8. And I got the SS8 for €1.31 as well. And they all come in little Ziploc bags, but are in sealed, fully sealed bags. I'm going to put all of these in little smaller containers with lids and stuff, because once you have cut this one open you can't close it anymore. Let me see, this was the SS8. I got it for $1.31. So it is a ton of stones you're getting for just a little over €1, which is pretty cool if you ask me. Then next up is the almost biggest size, and this is the SS10. And I got the SS10 for €1.46, so just a little below the $1.50 range. And the last one I got is the SS12, which are the biggest size. And that is what they look like, so I'll just put my nails next to them. So these are the biggest ones, and I got these for €1 and, let me check, 68 cents. So they are a little bit above the €1.50 range. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with all of these sizes, and I think I can make some awesome nail art with all of these. As I said, I'm just going to get them all out of these sealed packages, and I actually ordered a couple of pill boxes for medication and stuff. So I'm waiting for those to get in so I can actually store them all properly, all size-wise, and all together in one bigger box, which contains separate tiny compartments to just put all the sizes separately. So yeah, I'm not going to keep them in here because, as I said, that's not really handy because you can't close these little packs anymore. And I really don't like putting them in Ziploc bags like this, because then again, if it accidentally opens or something, your gems will be flying all over the place, and you don't want that. Next to all of the stones I'm showing you in this haul, I also got a little pot of flakies. Just one random pot. And these are just the holographic like flakies. You can just press them onto the nail, but you could also just buff them in to get a beautiful result. Let's just see if I can open this one for you real quickly without making it go everywhere. I love this. I can't wait to try it out because it is a beautiful silver holographic flaky, which I already said you can just buff it in or press it onto the nail. But just look at that. That is just beautiful. And I got this for only 91 cents. So that was a pretty good deal if you ask me. Last time I already showed you about 8 pots of like mixed gems, like the full on diamond shaped ones, and I actually used a couple in my previous nail art video as well, but I did get some other ones. So these are the mixed ones I already got, but just in 2 different colors. So I've got the mixed translucent white and the red, and there are different sizes in here. But yeah, you could just adhere these in like a gel top coat or just gel polish or a builder gel or anything like that. And the other one I got is a mixed one as well, but this one has like a light champagne pink color and darker like burnt orange and translucent as well. So yeah, these look pretty cool. So there are different sizes and everything, and I just really love them. In my previous tutorial, I actually used, let me check, I still got them right here. I actually used these pink ones. And for first time trying out working with these, it actually turned out pretty cool. And I just adhered them with a little bit of gel top coat. So I got these 2 for €1.07 each. Then I also got some other pots, and these were a little bit cheaper. These were only 92 cents. These are in like the square shaped pots, and the bigger ones, like the mixed gems, are in the round ones. That doesn't really matter to me because I'm not using the pots anyway. I think I'm going to just dunk them into the little pill containers when these get in. But I'm just going to flip these around because you can't see it otherwise. I got 3 different ones of these, and these are all the same size, so they are pretty small. 92 cents each is not that bad. Let me just open this one real quick. They are filled pretty decently. And let me just see if I can grab some out of there just on my finger. That is what they look like. So they have the gold colored like backing, but it really are just diamond shaped. And these are the regular translucent, but with a multi-colored like shimmer to it. Let's just put it to that. Then the next one actually is just a regular like white transparent regular diamond color. So these are all the same size, pretty small, but I really like them. And then the last one, these are just black little diamonds, or at least I think they are black, but they seem to be a little bit of like a lighter gray too. So let me just see if I can get some on my hand. Yeah, there seems to be some a little bit more dark than the others, but I really like how they look. And just look at how tiny these are. Like, wow, these are going to look so beautiful just across like the cuticle area, just all across like a half moon kind of nail art or something like that. But for just 92 cents, I think that's a really good deal. And yeah, that was actually already everything I got. So I got a ton of rhinestones. I've got like 5 pots of bigger gems. I've got some flakies. This is just gorgeous. So it is kind of like a smaller haul this time, but I really wanted to share it with you because it was one order, or like it all came at once. And it is really affordable as well. So As I said, if you have any questions, comments or concerns, just let me know in the comment section down below and I will reply to you personally as fast as I can. If you want to have any like direct links to any of the products, do let me know in the comments down below as well, and I will just get right back to you. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, and I really wanted to thank you for the 1500 subscribers. I just hit it in my 4-day like long weekend holiday thingy. So I really wanted to thank you so much for subscribing and just leaving sweet comments and all that jazz. So thank you so much. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I will see you guys next time.